Hi there guys, today I'm going to do a review and demo of this Hoover Constellation floating vacuum cleaner from the 1970s. Now this is my second Hoover Constellation I've got today. I've already done a video on this for YouTube and this should be the second video of it. Unfortunately this one didn't come with, well it did come with the floor tool but it was broken. But it did come with this box of cleaning accessories. It come with this dusting brush, which is fairly soft. It come with a upholstery tool, which is not the original type, but would be original style. And it also came with its original floor head, which is this. Unfortunately it's missing the neck on the back, so I can't use it, but it seems a good floor tool. It's very small, but you know, they didn't have big floor tools in those days, back in the 60s and 70s. So for the demo I will just be using this black adapted Henry one. It's a non-genuine Henry tool with a an adapter, Henry adapter plugged in there, and that will just go straight in the tubes like that. I do have another one of these. I did have in the last video have it all stripped down, but here it is. It's the pink version from the 60s, very battered. I'm going to use this as a work vacuum. Go inside of it, and I'll just fill up with crap. I'm not going to use a bag in it, can't be bothered, so never mind. But this one is the good one. It comes with a Hoover double stretch hose, which is a bit grubby, I have to admit, but I am not sure how you're supposed to clean these. Don't know if you put them in the washing machine or I'm not sure. It comes with the hand grip here, very nice and comfortable hand grip metal with the thumb operated suction relief valve. Try and get it open. There we go. It goes open and shut, and a clip on there. It comes with two extension ones. It will come with a crevice tool, the dusting brush, the upholstery tool and the floor tool. Let's just put the hose over here, the attachments. So let's just focus on the main vacuum cleaner. On top we have a curved handle. On the side we have the vacuum port. Underneath that we have the Hoover logo, and then all around the back and sides we have the rubber bumper and seal. Turn this around, we've got the cable storage. You can wrap it around the bottom or put it around the handle, but I prefer it around the bottom. Very powerful clip on this, holds the top bag housing down. I'm just got to put this up. A little bit dirty in here, as I have used this. Is the dust bag. My other one didn't have this rubber seal that goes on here, so I had to make a sponge alternative. Just remove the bag. Got a nice smelling air freshener in there. It smells like lilies. And then we have the filter underneath that as the motor. Bit of dirt in here, it does let a bit of dirt through, but why is that light going like that? I don't know. My eyes go funny. Sorry about this light. It's spazzing out. There we go. Oh, it's doing it again. Sorry about that. Crap light. That's to do it without. There's the bag. Just close the lid, and then just push this down, and then clamp that on. On the bottom we have the clip, as I showed, the cable restraint, the on and off toggle switch, the hinge on the front, and underneath we have the rim, the plate, the blower and exhaust port, and just the bottom of the unit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this particular vacuum in quick, and we're going to give it a little demo, see how well it will pick up a lot of dirt. So let's see how it does. So here's this big pile of crap on my floor. Just adjust the camera a little. Oh, sorry about that. So if the light goes again, I've turned it back on. But I'm just going to do one pass through the middle with the vacuum and see how it does, and then I'll clean up the rest of it. So in this is shredded paper, rocks and stuff, general stuff that you would find on your carpet. Not so much shredded paper, but you know, adds to the suspense. So here we go. So it did okay. It's just a bit bigger cardboard. But it did okay for how old it is. There's a few big bits on the floor here that I don't think it will pick up. But there's still a bit of debris left, you can see. But we'll hoover the rest of this up, and yeah. So it's just blocked up on me. Let's find the blockage. Where is it blocked? I don't know. I know where the blockage is. It's at this end of the hose. So this is an ideal demonstration on how to clean the blockage. So what you do is you turn it over, put the hose in the blower port, and we'll just angle it here. There we go. Out in a second. So just put this back in here, and we'll hoover up the rest of this with the hose. So now that done quite well, apart from the blockage at the start. But yeah, it's okay for a 40-year-old vacuum cleaner. It runs quite smooth and all. So I'll just do a little demonstration of it for you. here. It's quite full. Unfortunately, the compartment in here gets a bit full up. But anyhow, we have another constellation to hand, which is the pink version. I'll show you this one. I think you've seen it. There's a plug. Another little demo for you guys out there. Just plug this in. It runs a bit ropey, this one. Hose on. A little demonstration of this one. So there was that one, the pink version. So we'll just tidy this room up and we'll do the conclusion. So then, what's my conclusion on the Hoover Constellation? They're really good vacuum cleaners. Well, not this one, but they are really powerful vacuum cleaners. Especially the yellow one, which is only, what, 600 watts, and the pink one, I think, is 500 odd watts. But they're very good vacuum cleaners, and there's still a lot around today. Even the beat up ones are still going, like this one. This one cost me £10 and this one cost me £31.50. But if you go up in the range, kind of, if you buy a more expensive one, the better they get. If you are a collector like me, I recommend you do go and buy a Hoover Constellation. They are wicked little vacuum cleaners. And if you've got one already, go and get another one, because they're so much fun to use. The yellow one I don't think I'll stop using. That's a good Hoover. Still got lots and lots of life left into it. And the pink one I'll probably use as a work vac, as it's a bit crumbly, and I've made a little hose up for it. But there we go. That was my view on the Hoover Constellation. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.